Hey everybody, welcome to Apex Syndicates. So today I'm going to be talking about Atlantis. It is a DEX on the Monad network, and this project has so much freaking potential. It is one of my highest conviction plays that's going to be upcoming in the very near future. So let's dig into this a little bit. Like I said, now this isn't a deep dive. I just want to put this onto your radar. But Atlantis is a decentralized exchange, a DEX, okay? And it's a V4 DEX. No one else is offering this apart from Trouble, okay? So like I said, there's very few DEXs that are offering V4. And V4, they're going to be implementing, and this is going to be going live on the Monad network layer 1 ecosystem. So I'm going to touch base on Monad in a few minutes real quick, but I just want to go over this. But like I said, this is going to be just a truly amazing platform. Right now, you can come over here, you can get involved in their community. You can start using their test net, doing trades and swaps, and you can get some airdrops. So you can get involved if you're interested in that. I'll leave all of the links to Atlantis in the description below. So like I said, if you really want to start going over, you can basically start trading and doing some test network, and you can get bonuses. You can get some airdrop, qualified for airdrops. There's a lot of really cool stuff happening. So don't sleep on Atlantis. Check it out. Do your own research. Do your own due diligence. But for me, Atlantis is going to be massive. So let's quickly come over here to their X. And they've just posted that on Thursday, here just tomorrow. So probably when you're watching this video, the private sale has probably already gone public, but this video will probably come out on either Friday or Saturday. But there's going to be the IDO launch, which is the public sale for the kind of the private round through their platform. So you're going to be able to go to their platform and check that out, get involved. You're not going to want to miss out. So if you get the opportunity to get in and pick yourself up a bag of Atlantis on the pre-sale, I would highly recommend that. And if you happen to be watching this video and you missed the IDO, look for it to launch and get yourself a position, because when projects launch, there's always that initial pump. There's a little bit of people taking profit. It dips back down. Get in on the floor, because this thing has so much potential. Now, I don't know exactly what market cap they're going to be launching at. I've heard different rumors and different things. Some people say around $1 million, $2 million market cap, but it's going to be, in my opinion, very low for what it is they're building and creating and on the ecosystem that they're launching on. So trust me, you do not want to sleep on this, because like I said, when you look at Monad, if you guys don't know what Monad is a layer 1 blockchain, okay? It's EVM compatible, and it does 10,000 transactions per second, and lightning fast, and basically for free, like incredibly low fees, like it's crazy. And the thing I like about Monad, one is the community. They've got 1.2 million followers. Let that sink in, okay? Monad has been building for several years. And the thing is that this is a US-based registered blockchain. So that means it's completely compliant. It means it's able to work and function inside of the US for all the regulations. That's huge, okay? And it's backed by not just a bunch of like crypto VCs. It's actually backed by institutional money. Wall Street and big institutional money is backing this, okay? So that is one of the main reasons I think Monad is going to go freaking parabolic. I mean, so if you get a chance, go over and check out Monad, do your own research, do your own due diligence. It's an incredible ecosystem, and they're going to be launching pretty soon. I don't have exact dates, but I think they're really timing the market, and they're going to be launching right at the right time that this thing can just do some amazing fireworks. So the reason I'm talking about Monad is that basically Atlantis is a decentralized exchange on the Monad network, on their ecosystem. So let's just put it this way. If Monad, what I've heard is going to be launching at around a $500 million market cap, is what their launch price is going to be. And it's probably just going to go parabolic from there. Like I could see Monad going into the $1 billion of market cap like really quick. Being a layer 1 and just everything that they've been building and creating and connecting. So let's just say that Monad launches at a billion, has $1 billion market cap, within the first few days of launch. Like I said, don't quote me. I'm just pulling numbers out of my butt here, but it's going to be big, because I know they're launching at roughly a $500 million market cap. Well, you look over at the, the DEXs, you look over here at Atlantis, and if this is launching at, I don't know, like I said, don't quote me on numbers. I don't have exact figures here, but $1 million, $2 million market cap range, maybe a $2.5 million. I don't really know. doesn't really matter. Like there's a huge, arbitrage there, right? Between what the DEX, what the layer one, monad is going to be launching at and what the DEX is launching at. And with this being a V4 DEX, and they're going to be launching on the same day as monad, this could do fireworks. Like this is the kind of project I could see doing 100x, going into those $100 million market caps. Now, the reason I say that, DEXs are insane. When you look at DEXs, go over to CoinGecko and you can just look for decentralized exchanges here. Hyperliquid, $12 billion market cap. Uniswap, which sucks, $4 billion market cap. Pump Fund, $2 billion market cap. PancakeSwap, $1 billion market cap. Jupiter, $1 billion. So on and so on. And none of these, keep in mind, none of these are V4. Okay, $400 million market cap. You start rolling down in here, and even the shitty DEXs, I mean, the really crappy ones, Trader Joe, I mean, 66 million. Like, I can't see Atlantis not getting up into the $150 million market cap range. When I look at their competition, I look at this stuff and I look at their technology. I look at how unuser friendly their DEXs are. And Atlantis is going to blow all of these out of the water and is going to be on one of the biggest upcoming layer one chains out there. So that is why I am very, very bullish on Atlantis. I think Atlantis is going to absolutely melt people's faces this bull run. So get involved. That's all I'm saying. Get involved. Do your own research. Go over to Atlantis. See if you see what I see. Go over to the Monad network ecosystem. Check it out. See if you see what I see. And if you happen to if you're watching this video and you can get in on this IDO on Thursday, which is 2 days from now, like I said, fantastic. I really hope you guys can get in on that. And if you're watching this video after and the IDO is already closed, look for an entry on launch. Because like I said, there's always going to be that pump. It's going to have some retracement. Look for that entry. Buy and hold and hang on to your hats, because this is the kind of project that's just going to be a rocket ship to the moon. In my personal opinion. Now, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and always do your own due diligence. I'm just telling you what I see, what I feel, what I think, and what I'm investing in. And I'm going to tell you right now, I am going to be throwing a very big bag at Atlantis because I see the potential. I'm working on going to get in on that IDO. I'm planning on putting in anywhere from 10 to 15K. If I can, I'm going to try. I know there's limited space available, but if I can get in there and I can get myself a big bag, I'm going to do it because I am bullish on it. I see the potential. So everybody, let me know your thoughts on Atlantis in the comments below. Let me know what you think about it. But for me, when I look at this, I see fireworks. And apart from all that, I love the lore. I love the whole feeling of Atlantis, the whole like mythical civilization, and just, it's so much fun. Like when you start to go through it, they have the emerald tablets and they have all this stuff and they have such a great NFT collection. It's such a fun, cool, engaging project. So everybody, like I said, there's my quick take on Atlantis, but trust me, don't miss it. Don't sleep on this one. Atlantis has great potential in my personal opinion. So everybody, have a great day. Don't forget to follow me on X. Don't forget to follow me on my free Telegram chat. No risk, all reward. And if you really want to take it to that next level, join my VIP Telegram chat. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on the calls and the amazing alpha that we have over there. We'll leave a link to my Patreon in the description below. You click on that, join through Patreon, and we get you into my VIP Telegram chat. It's absolutely amazing community. Great calls over there, and we'd love to have you part of our community. So everybody, have a great day. Don't forget to smile. Pick up some Atlantis, and I'm pretty sure we'll see you on the moon. Take care, everybody.